Price action trading, mastering market movements. Are you struggling to understand market movements? Do you want to trade with confidence using only price charts? In this video, we'll break down the powerful strategy of price action trading. What is price action trading? It's a trading strategy that focuses purely on historical price movements. No reliance on indicators, just price charts and patterns. Why learn price action? It helps traders make logical, informed decisions. Works in stocks, Forex, crypto, and commodities. Used by professional traders worldwide. Key concepts of price action trading. Support and resistance levels. Areas where price repeatedly reverses. Helps identify entry and exit points. If a stock repeatedly bounces at particular point, that's a strong support level. Candlestick patterns. Doji. Market indecision, possible reversal. Engulfing candles, strong momentum shift. Hammer and shooting star, reversal signals. Trend lines and market structure. Uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Trend lines help confirm market direction. Breakouts and fakeouts. Breakouts, price moves beyond key levels, signaling a strong move. Fakeouts, price briefly breaks a level but reverses, trapping traders. Always wait for confirmation before entering trades. Pullbacks and retests. Pullbacks, temporary reversals within a trend. Retests, price revisits a previous support resistance level before continuing its move. Volume analysis. Confirms price movement strength. A breakout with high volume is more reliable than one with low volume. Practical trading tips. Keep it simple, focus on clean charts, avoid cluttering with too many indicators. Use stop losses, protect your capital by setting stop losses based on support resistance. Practice with a demo account. Before using real money, test strategies on a demo account. Stick to a trading plan. Have clear rules for entering and exiting trades. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.